Assalamualaikum, my dear Falconians of level 5. I am your science teacher, Miss Maha Rehan, and today in this video, I am going to continue unit number 6, which is food and diet. As you already as you have already known that we have already discussed 6.1 bacteria topic in our previous Zoom session. Now, in today's video, we have to discuss the bacteria that cause food poisoning. First of all, I'm going to give you a short overview of the previous Zoom session. What is bacteria? Bacteria are the single-celled microorganisms, that microorganism which contain only one single cell. Bacterial cell does not contain nucleus. Remember that the cell of bacteria does not contain nucleus, but it contains cell wall similar to plant cell. The bacteria are microscopic life forms. The meaning of microscopic is that life form which can only be seen by a microscope. It cannot be seen by a naked eye. Now, moving on towards the definition of food poisoning, or what is food poisoning, because our main topic is bacteria that causes food poisoning. So first we have studied about bacteria. Now we have to study about food poisoning. As I have already discussed with you the definition of food poisoning, food poisoning is actually the illness of a body caused by eating contaminated food. Contaminated means the food that contains any type of bacteria or any type of virus or any type of toxin material, because that bacteria, virus and toxin material is not good for our body. So if we eat that type of food, our body will be trapped in different kind of diseases and food poisoning can occur. Now, our main topic is on your screen. Bacteria causes food poisoning. Remember that there are two types of bacteria that can cause food poisoning, and that bacteria are: number one is E. coli and number two is Salmonella. What is E. coli or what is Salmonella and how these bacteria causes food poisoning? One by one, I am going to give you the overview. The first bacteria is E. coli. E. coli is a type of bacteria which is commonly found in the environment, and it is also present in the intestines of many animals such as cattle, sheep and goat. The E. coli bacteria is present in the intestine of cattle, sheep and goat, and it is also present in the intestines of humans. How? For example, if the food items such as meat or eggs are not cooked properly, or if the vegetables are not properly washed before using it or before being eaten, what will happen? That can cause food poisoning. Now, moving on towards the other type of bacteria, which is Salmonella. What is Salmonella? Salmonella is the bacterium responsible for the largest number of food poisoning cases. Why? Because Salmonella is present in the intestine of animals such as chickens, reptiles, amphibians, etc. And Salmonella is also present in the intestine of humans also. Salmonella can cause food poisoning if the meat is not cooked properly. For example, if you do not cook the meat properly and you eat it, what will happen? The bacterium called Salmonella enter your intestine and it can cause food poisoning, and you can be trapped in different kind of diseases. So, these are the two types of bacteria that can cause food poisoning. Now, what is your home assignment level 5? The question is present on your screen. How do E. coli and Salmonella causes food poisoning? You have to write down this question with blue color in your science copies with today's date, which is 20 January. Write down this question with blue color, and what you have to do, first you have to give the heading of E. coli, then why how the E. coli can cause food poisoning, you have to write down 3 lines. Then you have to give the heading of Salmonella and you have to write down 3 lines for Salmonella. So I hope you all get my point. Please make sure to complete your home assignment. Inshallah, we will be meeting in the next Zoom session with the further on topics. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, level 5.